I found the Nano Banana Killer, the Higgsfield Popcorn. An image model designed for storyboard editing and creative workflows, this next-gen AI absolutely destroys its competition, redefining how creators should work with the visuals. With cinematic-level image quality and industry-grade creative control, it can transform a single prompt or image into an entire visual narrative. This is the future of AI creativity. Let's dive in. This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions. First, go to the link provided in the description. There, you'll find the link to Higgsfield.ai. Once you're on the main website of Higgsfield.ai, you can access all the top models available for both video generation and image generation. For image generation, you'll find several high-end models, such as the new Higgsfield Popcorn, WAN 2.2, Seedream 4.0, and Nano Banana, along with many others. For video generation, you can explore leading models like Sora 2, VO 3.1, and WAN 2.5. You'll also find a variety of editing options, where you can enhance or upscale your images, increase their resolution, or apply other visual improvements. On this platform, you'll also notice dedicated community sections for models such as Sora 2, WAN 2.5, and various visual effects tools. These visual effects options allow you to add unique effects and styles to your videos depending on the type of visuals you're aiming for. But in today's tutorial, we'll focus on Higgsfield Popcorn, the next-generation image model designed for storyboard editing and creative workflows. Using this model, you can create Hollywood-level storyboards for your personal or professional projects. Let's get started by clicking on Higgsfield Popcorn. Once inside, you'll see the main dashboard, which offers two generation modes, auto and manual. In the manual mode, you can upload up to 4 reference images to edit, extend, or use within your storyboard. You can describe each scene in detail, explaining what's happening in your reference images. This mode gives you more precision and control over your results, making it ideal for when you need very specific outputs. If you prefer a quicker approach, you can use the auto mode. Here, you simply upload your reference images, describe the type of result you want in the prompt section, and then select the number of results you'd like to generate, up to 8 results per prompt. From those generated images, you can even create additional variations if you wish. You can also select your desired aspect ratio before starting the generation process. Let's begin with the auto option. First, we'll upload an image and describe the type of storyboard we want to create. Our prompt will be, continue this scene as a cinematic short film sequence. Same character, same environment, show 5 moments of the story unfolding under an old basement-type building, from the character entering the building to searching for valuable things. We'll select 5 results with an aspect ratio of 16:9 and then click on Generate to begin the process. Once the storyboard is generated, you'll see that the resulting images look visually stunning. They appear incredibly detailed and of Hollywood-level quality, as if they were captured using a high-end cinematic camera. Now, if you want to animate your storyboard, here's what you need to do. Start by selecting the first image and click on the Animate button. This will take you to a new interface where you can choose your video generation model. For this demonstration, we'll use Kling 2.1 since it's one of the best models for generating videos between 2 specific frames, the first and the end frame, to ensure more precise and consistent video results. Here, we'll set our first image as the starting frame and the second image from our storyboard as the end frame. We'll leave the prompt section empty as we're animating purely based on these images. Once we've selected the duration and resolution, we'll click on Generate to start creating our video. Once our first scene is in the processing, we'll move on to creating our second scene. For the second scene, we'll flip the frames, meaning the second frame from the previous scene will now become our first frame, and we'll delete the old first frame. For the end frame, we'll add the third image from our storyboard. In this way, we'll generate our second scene. After setting everything up, simply click on the Generate button to start creating the second scene. Next, for the third scene, we'll follow the same process again. This time, we'll take the second frame and use it as our first frame, then delete the previous one. After that, we'll assign the fourth image from our storyboard as the end frame. By repeating this step-by-step method, we can animate all our storyboard scenes and combine them into a seamless, continuous video. Once all the results are generated, you'll see the final outcome, which looks truly cinematic, almost like a scene straight out of a Hollywood movie. The quality and detailing of the animation are genuinely impressive. And if you want even more precision, you can use the scene-to-scene prompting feature. This allows you to write a unique prompt for each individual scene, helping you achieve more refined and detailed video outputs. Now, let's move to another use case. In this example, we've uploaded 3 different images, and we want to create a new set of images by merging elements from all 3. The prompt we'll use is: merge the character from image 1 with the character from image 2. The character from image 2 is holding a purse from image 3. Create a cinematic scene featuring the same character in different emotional states, maintaining consistent lighting and mood. Once our prompt is ready, we'll select the number of results to be 4, choose the aspect ratio as 16:9, and then click on Generate to start the process. And once generated, you'll notice how cinematic and realistic the images appear. The outputs look like professional photography. The Higgsfield Popcorn model has seamlessly merged the characters and the purse from the original images with impressive accuracy. Now, let's check out another use case. Suppose you want to expand an image to reveal more details around it. In this case, we'll upload a portrait of a model and then use the following prompt: expand the frame to reveal the full film set, keeping the lighting, shadows, and color tones identical to the original. We'll select 5 results, keep the aspect ratio at 16:9, and click on Generate to begin. Once the generation is complete, you'll see that all 5 scenes are highly consistent, with accurate lighting, realistic shadows, and perfect color matching. The results look incredibly detailed and professionally composed. The image expansion feels natural, as if the photo was captured with a wide cinematic lens. Compared to other image generation and editing tools, Higgsfield Popcorn produces exceptionally high-quality results. You can even fine-tune or slightly adjust the outputs to better fit your project's look. If you want to animate these new scenes, you can use the same process we used earlier, selecting the first and end frames to generate smooth video transitions. These outputs can serve as excellent. And for our final test, we'll explore a product photography-style image generation. In this example, we're using an image of a wristwatch along with a detailed prompt. The prompt is: a luxury wristwatch on a dark reflective surface with dramatic studio lighting, shallow depth of field, and cinematic realism. Shot on a 50mm lens, capturing the metallic shine and texture in ultra detail. Once our prompt is ready, we'll set the number of generations and choose our desired aspect ratio, then click on the Generate button to start producing the results. It may take a little time for the generation to complete, but once it's done, you'll notice that the image quality looks absolutely top-notch. The generated images have good lighting, fine details, and realistic reflections that make them look like professional product photos. These results are so clean and high quality that you can easily use them for product photography, commercial visuals, or even advertising purposes. Every single image looks crisp, polished, and very well maintained in terms of both lighting and composition. So, this was our video about Higsfield AI's new image generation model, Higgsfield Popcorn. If you're tired of using the same old image generation models and level up your work, then Higgsfield Popcorn is definitely worth trying. It's a powerful tool for storyboard generation, creative projects, and cinematic visual design. If you want to check out the tool yourself, I've added the official link in the description below. Make sure to visit and explore it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.